Hey everyone, this is a quick video tutorial on using your hashtag learning.co.uk websites effectively when it comes to revising for your end of year exam, and for any time really, but in particular at this point in time, your end of year exam. So this is what it will look like when you sign into this. Remember, it's Achieve.Hashtag Learning.co.uk. Now, the way I would be using this, and I think this is a fantastic website, is go to Rate My Courses. You will probably only have one, but we'll go for National 5 Computing Science, unless you're using this for other classes as well, I suppose, but for now, just Computing Science. Now, we don't need to worry about the initial one, Software Design and Development, because we haven't done that yet, but we should be looking at particularly database design and development and web design and development. We should be able to do all of these different subheadings. In computer systems, we've learned a little bit about this over the last few days. So data representation, we should be able to do all of these ones. And I think that is it for now. So if we were to be going through this is what I'd like you to do in the next couple of days as you revise for your exam on Wednesday. Go to the very first one. So we've got this here, describe how binary is used to represent positive integers. If you click on the little speech bubble in blue, this will tell you the sort of things that you need to know. So integers are whole numbers, computers can only work with binary values, therefore an integer can be represented as a binary number. Can you represent 5 as a binary number? Would you be able to work these out? If the answer is yes, then give yourself a green. If it's yeah, then we'll give yourself an amber, and if not, it's a red. Okay, now you can go through all of these, and then obviously you can look for further guidance based on all of your greens. Based on all of your reds. If they're green, you could ignore for now, and they're not your priority, but all your reds are the ones that you need to work on. If you're looking for something else to give you a bit of a test or for extra guidance, click on the little question mark. And this takes you to any sort of resource that is linked to this particular strand. So again, it's all about binary and how to represent positive integers. So BBC Bitesize, click on that link. It takes you to that page. Okay, and it gives you some good resources on that. And then, so there's another BBC Bitesize page. It says there are no past paper questions for this item. Okay, and again at the bottom you can change your current rating. For some questions there will be a past paper question as well, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to try and find a question that will have that. So let's go for database design and development. Describe the implications of the GDPR. Okay, so that's this one here. I've given it a green just now because I think I'm quite happy with that. If I go to the speech bubble, this is the information I have. Now, this is all very good if you are making a flashcard or your own resources to make it a bit active. You can be using these as factual information or theory. If I go to the question mark for GDPR, yep, there's a past paper question for this one. So in 2019, question 14D was about GDPR. So let's view that question. Okay, it should take us to that question. I think I just clicked on it. Let's go back, view question. It didn't. When I tried this on my laptop earlier, it did actually take me to the correct question. So it's 14D. Let's just scroll down. Okay, there it is there. So state 2 implications of the General Data Protection regulation for the youth club. Okay, so 2 of those. If you go back, you can then view the solution. And again, I'm not sure why it's not taking us straight there, but it should. 14D, there it is there. There's all of your answers for that. So if you are working through this process of going through all the strands, do you understand what a primary key is? Yep. Do you want to just make sure you know the knowledge that you need to know? Yep, just click on there. I think this will set you in very good stead for taking on the assessment. Okay, good luck with that.